Don't splash. Keegan, come here. Come here to Mama.
There you go.
He's moving it.
Yeah, you're spinning around and stuff.
Good. Move. Good. Right in the middle. You can go anywhere you want. Let's go.
Good job.
Let's race. Look at the duck.
There you go. Good job.
Keegan, what duck you go? Quack. Everything is yellow. Funny. Quack.
You want to sit back? Yes, sit back.
How about he can float, no? He can float outside here. The duck stay in there. The duck stay in there. Where's Ducky? The ducky! My ducky! Quack. My ducky! That's one for the umbrella, honey.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, we're ducky. We're ducky.
Go get him.
Come on, Duck. Come here, get
Spin and kick. You get him?
Got it.
Nope,
Got the duck?
not quite.
Nope, missed him. Get him on the next pass.
You want to come out? You want to float? Bye. He can swing that.
I don't think he likes it, but yeah. If he holds still, his mouth won't go
Okay
underwater.
with this one, it's fine. Yeah, touch the water. Stay in there. You don't need
There you go. Good job.
The shoulder one.
Kick. There you go. Now you got the duck. All right.
Usually when he takes this off because he's staying there, he can use the arm.
Sure.
He take it off.
Just close eye on him,
Yeah.
as usual.
A little bit. Fun. Now it's
I can see his little legs underneath, hanging and kicking.
where the duck go? Where'd the duck go? Do you want that? Okay. What you say? What you say, Keegan? Please? Say please? Do you want those? That? He got questioned with you.
Right, he did. He put a question mark on the end of it. He goes, "Dad." He wasn't sure it was you. He went, "Dad."
Hey, it's okay. Kick. Yeah, good. Oh, there you go. Kick. Yeah, good job. Here we go. We're moving. Look at that. Good job, buddy.
Wow, you're doing great
You want the
kicking.
Remember this? There you go. Oh, good throw. Keep him in the pool, though, okay?
I should bring my dad over there.
Gargoyles.
Yuggle.
Gargoyles.
Yuggle.
Gargoyles.
No, you say gargoyles.
Yuggle. Yeah, kicking.
I think Grandma wants to get in the water, huh?
Yeah.
Say bye-bye.
Okay, get together as a family here.
Say
Look at
bye-bye.
you guys all swimming.
Bye-bye, Rena.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say-
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Good.
Good job.